Hello, my name is Curtis Steele, and I am the application developer for the ProAll Commander Control System. In this video, we will go through basic display navigation. If you have any questions after viewing the video, please call ProAll support at 403-335-9500. So to navigate through the display and enter values, there are a few different functions that may come up. But the important part here is to notice that you have these soft keys on the left and right hand side of the display. And you also have some function keys here underneath the main display encoder or control knob. The display is also touchscreen, so when you hit a symbol on the screen, for example, the total symbol goes to the total screen, or you can hit the soft key, which links essentially to the symbol here. They're the same thing, so it's just a preference thing. If you want to keep your hands off the touchscreen if they're dirty or whatever, then you can use the soft keys to do that. So what we'll go through here now is you'll notice, let's just go to the menu for example. As you're kind of scrolling through different screens, you can get kind of deep into the different menus here. If you ever want to go back to the main home screen, it's really simple. You can just use this button right here. By hitting that, the home button, it automatically takes you back to the main page so that you can start again at the menu if need be, navigate through, and so on. If you get ahead and you just want to go back one screen or a previous screen, you can hit this button here and it'll go back one. So it doesn't matter what screen you go to. If you hit that screen, it'll always go back one. These other two buttons that you see here are actually not used. This one isn't used at this time. This one has some use in different screens that's explained in the Commander manual, but for the most part, home screen and back one are the main two buttons that you would use for this screen here, or for this front face here. So the other thing to note is there are keypads that come up on the screen depending on the fields that you touch. So as an example, if I touch this screen here, this brings up the numeric keypad. To change the value, just simply press delete to get rid of it, and then you can just type in a new value and press done. If you accidentally go into the screen and you didn't actually want to change anything, just press cancel and it'll go back. There's also a string keypad where you can enter in text values. Shift puts on the caps lock. There's also a numeric keypad inside this one with some special characters if need be. And that's it. And if you want to get out of here, you can also just press cancel and it goes back to the main. The only other entry type field that you might come across is, for example, on this one, and when I hit this, you'll notice that the box goes green. When it goes green, that means it's waiting for an input from the encoder here. So as I rotate this dial, you'll see that the value changes. When I'm happy with the new value that I've entered, I just simply push the encoder to select. The box goes to yellow, which means it's still active but not ready to change the input. It's ready to move or navigate through the screen. So anytime you see a box that's yellow, it just means it's the active box. Again, if you touch the value and it goes green and a number pad or keypad does not come up, then that means it's connected to the rotary dial here. Thanks for watching this video, and please contact ProAll support if you have any further questions.